Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price. Loaded with features. Features also include remote start, towing package, Luxury Package 3, hands-free Bluetooth integration, dual sun moonroof, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Take a ride in the 2016 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 2.7-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, aluminum wheels, brake assist, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, rear-wheel drive, 4-wheel disc brakes, fog lamps, tires, front all season. Inside you'll find smart device integration, keyless entry, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, security system, cruise control, child safety locks, power steering, rear head airbag, driver airbag. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.